In today's video, you'll learn how to change the Outlook preview pane, also called the reading pane, to make your inbox more organized and easier to navigate. Adjusting this pane lets you see messages at a glance and choose a layout that suits your screen and workflow. Start by opening Outlook and clicking the View tab on the ribbon at the top of the window. The View tab holds display and layout controls, so it's where you customize how your inbox looks. If your ribbon appears simplified, expand it to access all options. Within the View tab, find the Layout group and click Reading pane. A menu will appear with 3 layout options. Right places the pane on the right side of your message list. This is ideal on wide screens, letting you view full messages while keeping your list visible. It works well for threaded conversations and scanning messages quickly without opening them. Bottom places the preview pane below the message list. This layout is useful on narrower monitors or if you prefer seeing a taller list of emails above and the message content below. It helps when sorting by columns and seeing more subjects, senders, or dates without losing message previews. Hide turns off the preview pane entirely. Choose this for maximum privacy, a distraction-free view, or if you like opening messages in separate windows. It also speeds up navigation in large inboxes if you don't need to glance at content constantly. Once you select a layout, Outlook applies it immediately. You can click through options to find the one that feels best. If the pane seems cramped, resize the window or drag the divider between the message list and reading pane for more space. You can switch layouts anytime depending on your needs. That's it. With a few clicks on the View tab, you can customize the reading pane to enhance how you read, sort, and manage emails, making your Outlook inbox easier and more efficient to navigate every day.